That's not loud enough. An elephant's sneeze must be huge. And taking a deep breath, she went, Achoo! Grunt, grunt. What's all this noise? Asked Deer. Do you know how loud an elephant's sneeze is? Asked Monkey. I always sneeze politely, said Deer with a sniff. But an elephant must have a huge, disgusting sneeze like this. Achoo! Achoo!